Hey everyone, this is Cindy Emmy, and today I'm going to be doing an unbagging. This is the May Knitical World Yarn Club. I think it's Yasha inspired. I can't remember what Yasha inspired fan art it was, but it will be in the cover photo of this video. I actually got this a couple days ago, but it arrived really late at night and I couldn't get to it then, and then the next day I had a stomach bug and I just didn't feel like recording a video, so now I'm getting around to it. So let's get into this. She's already put up what's going to be next month, and I know it's like Jester and unicorns or something like that inspired, so I'm really excited. And let's bring it. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, that's just so gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Now this is a really nice neutral like background main color, and oh, I love it. But a nice way to do Yasha without making her like too dark, because most of her stuff is just like this color. See if I can get it in the camera. Like this dark color. Because of her wings and stuff, but oh, I love this tealy aqua blue color. Oh, and I love like that it's not like a white base or a gray base or anything. She's got like a tan base, and that's just, I'm looking at her other yarns that I have of hers, and usually she has like a white base. So I kind of like the difference. It's something different for this game. This one is Flowers for Yasha. Hold on, let me flip it around so you can see it how I can see it, because you're upside down for me and I don't know why. So yeah, oh, I love it. I love the delicate, my words are not coming out correctly, the delicate speckling, but I like how it kind of reminds me of when I was little, and like in kindergarten or preschool, we'd have like these, they would put like this mat thing down on the floor, and like everyone in the class would get to like pick their favorite color paint, and you get to like have a brush and you learn how to splatter it. And there surprisingly were a lot of ways to splatter it. I don't remember all of them. I only remember 3. I know there were more than 3, but oh, I love this. But yeah, that's what it reminds me of. It brings back memories of childhood. Oh, I love this. Oh, and this actually, it reminds me of a painting also of flowers. What is it? Like, it's like either, it's not Picasso. It might be a Da Vinci painting. Or, or Monet. I think it's more Monet. This does, like, remind me of, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Monet. Now that I'm thinking about it. Ooh, don't know which way. That's the direction I need to go. I do not like this thing for some odd reason being flipped around from what I'm used to. But, oh, I just love this. What Verdant blend did I get? Nearly Nirvana. Ooh, I like the band Nirvana. I wonder, it's got luxury white silver needle tea with spiritual spearmint and heavenly jasmine. Ooh, I might need to go brew this up. And it goes lovely with this. Oh, I love it. So this has been the May Knitical World Yarn Club from the Corner of Craft, which I did not, or actually it's Chromatic Yarns, which is under the Corner of Craft. And Hannah's the Dyer, and it's on a sturdy sock, BFL, blue faced luster, nylon, fingering weight. I love this. I'm probably going to put this with one of her other colorways and make a shawl. Because I feel like this needs to be something besides socks. It doesn't look like a socks game. I mean, you can use it for socks, but I mean, it looks like it needs to be a shawl. Or just, you know, just something really nice. I don't know what yet, but I might just have to design something for it. But oh, this is literally my favorite part. I mean, it brings back so many memories and makes me, I just keep thinking of other things. My French class. Monet. Yeah, oh, I just love it. Love it so much. This has been Cindy Emmy with a Knitical Roll Yarn Club unboxing. I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless.